Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the camera on the OMTV app using your iPhone. Let's dive right into the solutions. Solution 1. Via the OMTV app. Step 1. Open the OMTV app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Step 3. Tap the edit option at the top of the menu. Step 4. Then tap change profile picture at the top. Step 5. A menu will appear with two options. Tap on take a profile picture. Step 5. When promoted, allow camera access by tapping allow. Step 7. Now close this app completely and reopen it. The camera should now be working properly. Solution 2. Using Safari browser. If that didn't work, try this. Step 1. Open Safari on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to OMTV.com. Step 3. Wait a few seconds. The site will ask for camera and microphone access. Step 4. Tap allow when promoted. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions fixed the issue for you. If it did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tips.